All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I posted my last video, right? So I've got a 50mm lens on there. So if I tried vlogging, this is how close I would be to your face. So we need some personal distance. What's happening right now? So I've been in quarantine for 7 days at Holiday Inn in Port Moresby. I'm leaving for Mount Hagen next week. But why this video? Well, I'm thinking I want to make it a regular thing to upload some videos over the next couple of weeks, show you how people live. And these are all promises, and I am very terrible at keeping them, but we'll see how it goes. So this is that. I'm gonna just show you guys what Holiday Inn's like, and then we'll get into that. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna quickly make the room look nice so it looks more neat. We'll start with the most important bit of a house, obviously the toilet and bathroom. Here we go. Toilet. All of that. Okay, so we know Palm is absolutely hot, humid. You get very sticky skin, but air conditioning system. I think that's the no, this is the actual air conditioner. It is amazing. Okay, on second thought, there's really not much to show. I fixed the bed though, but this is the room. So kind of a kitchen, just a shelf, and then we move this way. There's a TV there that I've not used, and then obviously a large desk. This is all my setup. I had to make myself at home because I was going to be here for like 2 weeks. That's a long time. I'll show you outside. Outside's quite nice. Let's go outside. Ooh. Okay, we have a bit of a problem. I can't take the camera outside because the lens starts to condense. Means lots of fog on the front element, and you know what, I'll just show you, see it for yourself. So I just stepped outside and what? Nothing? Okay, all right, it's starting to form and it's gonna start to get a bit weird. There we go. Okay, this here is the balcony, and that's all right. So big questions. First, what is my plan for this channel? To be honest, I don't have any. Well, essentially I had this idea to go out in the village, document one person's life, how he lives on a daily basis, or document how food is prepared in the Highlands. One of the big ones I had was I wanted to see, because the way we live, people don't necessarily rely on money to live day to day. They grow their own food, they feed themselves, they sustain them. This self-sustaining ability is quite rare to find, especially if you see how people live in Western countries. So that I want to try and explore. Could be an idea. If you have an idea, also drop it down in the comment section so I could also look into that. But yes, that's it. Side note, I don't know how the audio is doing because it's very windy, lots of music from the bar which is just down there, and a lot of traffic because the city is just beyond those buildings right over there. Getting back on topic, on a bit of a technical note, I am using my headphones aux cord to connect it to the microphone. I feel that it works best, but I would need a second one to monitor my audio because I can see the audio levels clipping at some point. That's a conversation for another video. But yes, to sum up, basically for this channel I want to try and document the way people live in the islands, how they sustain themselves, because here's the main thing: we don't live day to day thinking about, oh, my rent is due tomorrow, There is no such obligation because you own your own land, you build your own house from bush materials. Okay, sorry, I just cut in. I would like to add that I'm referring to the way people live in villages. Obviously, if you live in a city, you would need to pay rent. You probably don't own land because it's really expensive. What I'm referring to is the simple lives people live in the village. It's such a beautiful thing, and I wanted to add that in there. Okay, back to the video. You have no obligation to anybody except when there's some sort of communal trouble. Like say someone's in trouble, they need help, we contribute. It's a community thing. It is a stark contrast to the way Western culture, way of life is lived. Another thing I'm thinking of doing is photography. I think growing up in the place I've grown up in, the place seems boring to me, but now thinking of it, if I went there for the first time, would I be in awe of what I see, right? With that perspective, I would like to photograph my own village and probably surrounding areas. I know there's one spot in the mountains, like very high, and it overlooks the entire Wagi Valley, which is where Hagen Town is inside. Yeah, that's it. I think this is the end of the vlog. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for catching up. Leave some comments, like and subscribe if you'd like. And that's it. Take care. Bye bye.